again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report from Matthew in Kentucky on his Superstar SS158FB4. Matthew, it's ready to go for you, bud. Our tuning alignment, we've set the echo to our liking. Right there it is, off and on. You've got a high-low band switch here, 6 position here, fine and coarse tune, 10 kilohertz, noise blanker, Roger beep, a beautiful radio. Start the RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. Got you set about 25 watts all the way down, where you got full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. About 120 all the way up. I'm gonna show you average power swing. Oh, 225 bird, 500 watt slug in peak. Hello, 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 hello. Well, we're not in peak. There we go. Hello, 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 hello. 500 PEP. Matthew, feed this beast with 100 amp continuous and you'll love it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.